Good evening, guys. For this reflections, I'll be sharing my thoughts about lesson 3, which is focusing on spiritual self. This part of the lesson helped me understand that the spiritual self is not only about religion or faith, but also about the deeper aspects of who I am, my values, beliefs, and sense of purpose. It is the inner voice that guides my decision and help me stay connected to what truly matters in life. As I reflected on the topic, I realized that my spiritual self grows through my daily experiences, especially during moments of struggle or uncertainty. These moments push me to reflect, pray, or seek peace within myself. They remind me that spiritual growth is a continuous journey that helps me become more patient, kind, and grounded. By being aware of my spiritual self, I become more mindful of my actions and how they impact others. Overall, Lesson 3 allowed me to appreciate the importance of nurturing my spiritual side. It taught me that taking time to reflect, connect, and understand myself on a deeper level is essential for my well-being. The spiritual self encouraged me to live with purpose, seek inner peace, and remain true my values as I continue to grow as a person. That's all. Thank you.